Hey guys, I'm Alan with Rubber Floors and More, and I'm here today at Horsepower Fitness in Milton, Georgia, where we just completed about 1,800 square feet, give or take, of gold rubber flooring and artificial turf. There's two levels to this building. We just did the upstairs location, and we're now downstairs where we completed our, as you can see here, our gold rubber 8mm basic black. This is ideal for CrossFit, it's ideal for functional training, it's ideal for just general fitness. It's a great quality, low-cost gold rubber flooring, and we stock this in our warehouse in Milton, Georgia. We also have many other colors to choose from. We have a speckled gray, speckled blue, speckled red, and we also have a speckled blue and gray. So if you're interested in looking for products and learning more about what we do, we are a one-stop shop where we can basically do everything from custom logos, custom installation, and we can do some custom colors as well. So give us a call, 404-806-7650. Thanks for watching.